Yes, welcome again to my YouTube channel. You know you're still learning with Mr. K, and today we'll be looking at something very interesting. We're looking at how we can work using the costume blocks. Remember what I told you at the very beginning of this course, that some sprites actually have different costumes. So today we'll be making use of this costume to see how it works. And we're using these costumes to create some kind of motion effect. It looks like someone is walking to create a motion effect. That is what we'll be using these costumes to do today. Okay, now we have to start, but remember the subscription button must be clicked on, and again you have to click on the bell icon to get your notifications. Also try and share this with some of your friends. Let them also be part of this good thing that is happening. Okay, I don't actually need this cat sprite to do this work. I want to get a sprite that has like 3 or 4 costumes. Okay, so I'll say goodbye to the cat. Goodbye. Now I go over to this place where we're going to choose our sprite. Click on it. Okay, let's get this every walk. So we'll just get every walk. This costume will do the work for us. This particular sprite will do the work for us. So let's look at how many costumes we can get here. Wow, we have 4 costumes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 costumes. That's okay. I mean, this is just perfect for the work we want to do today. So the first thing we are going to do is to start creating the motion effect. And we'll be using the glide block for this. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to bring in the trigger, what will make this code to run, which is the green flag. So we'll bring it out. Now this motion, I just want it to be like a forever motion. Let it just be walking. The sprite will go front, the sprite will come back. So for us to do that, we are going to get the forever block. Okay, so with that, now we're going to get from motion the glide block. So we'll get a glide. It's going to glide for, let's make use of this, glide for 4 seconds. And again here you are going to X 200 and you will be going to Y 0. Okay, X 200 and to Y 0. Okay, so I don't want the sprite to go anything up, just on this horizontal movement, so our Y will remain 0. Okay, alright, I'm going to put in the wait block so it doesn't just work too fast. Let's have time interval for the costumes to change also. Okay, not be working too fast, so I can make this to wait. Okay, to make it a bit faster anyway. Let's make it a bit faster. Let me make this 0.5. Okay, okay, so then the next thing we're going to do is to bring another glide block. We're bringing the glide block here, and this one the same with the first one. Okay, so we still make it to glide for 4 seconds. Okay, and because I want this first one here, this first glide one is to make it to go front, that's to go forward. Then the second one we're putting here is the one that will make the sprite to walk back. So in that case, the value of X is going to be a negative value, which is minus 200. Okay, so you can get to the starting point we started from. Then the Y will remain 0. Okay, then we'll continue. Now let's see how we can do, because we want the costume to change as it's walking. Let the costume change. So it's the changing of this costume that will create the motion effect. Okay, so starting that from here, I'm still going to get my, when the green flag is clicked. Okay, then I'm going to bring in the forever block because I want this to continue. Put in the forever block. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is to come to looks. That is where I can get a switch costume. So I get a switch costume. I will change this one. It's already on A, costume A. It's already on costume D anyway. So I'll change this one to costume A. It's already on A. Is this D is ticked, so it's already on costume D. So I'll choose A first. Okay, then let it wait for some seconds. Maybe you can just wait for, yes, just wait for 4 seconds, for 0.4 seconds. Then I'm going to bring in another one that will change the next costume. Go to looks, switch costume to costume. This is A, so we'll do costume B. Okay, then we'll still bring in our weights block, put the weight block just to wait for the same 0.4. Okay, we continue. Remember, we have 4 costumes. I'll go back again to looks, switch costume to costume C this time around, costume C. Okay, then I'll bring another weight block to drop here, which is still waiting for 0.4. Okay, 0.4. Then we'll have the last costume, which is the costume D. Okay, I'll bring switch costume to costume D, and excuse me, costume D. Then I'm going to bring in the weight block, and we're still waiting for 0.4. Okay, 0.4. Right, so this is what we have for now, and here this. So look at it very well, and make sure you're also working with me, not just watching from the smartphone. Make sure you're also practicing. So when I click on the green flag, I have the working effect. You can see that the sprite is working. The sprite is working. Okay, it's switching between the costumes. Okay, it's switching between the costumes. It's switching between the costumes. Okay. Wonderful. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Next time we're going to do something very interesting again. Make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any part of the explanation. Thank you for watching, and also remember to share the video. Click on the subscription button. You can also like my videos, send to your friends. Let them also watch. Thank you. You're still learning with Mr. K. Have a wonderful day and get ready for the next video. Thank you.